Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nil English, where we're learning great idioms and expressions that help us in our English speaking journey, which all of these videos will extremely help you improve with your English speaking skills, because expressions and idioms are something that many Americans use in everyday life. And if you haven't already, please hit the notification button or subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when you get other additional videos just like this to help with your skills. Now, our word of the day is a really good one, which is blow off steam. Blow off steam. So if you see a train and you see the smoke coming out of a train, that's steam. That's steam blowing. Blow off steam. What does that mean? To blow off steam means to do something that will help you relax. So consider steam like tension. Something got you angry or frustrated or upset. And that's the steam. To blow off the steam, you need something to help you relax. Some people say, I smoke cigarettes to help blow off steam. Or I like to exercise to help blow off steam. It's whatever you can do that will help relax you in a way that you're not angry or frustrated anymore. To blow off steam, I usually just take a nap. Or to blow off steam, I like to go play basketball. Whatever it is, whatever you choose to do that helps you relax. And steam could also be, tensions at work, or just a long day is hard. So you just want to I'm going to have a glass of wine to blow off steam. It just means what's going to help you relax, will help you get back to center. That's what it means to blow off steam. But instead of me giving all the examples, is there any examples you could think of to help blow off steam? What sentences can you create in your own life that will help you practice this word? And do it with your friends and family, because of course, the more you practice, the better you become. So this is a great way to learn and practice your English speaking skills. So I go for a run whenever I want to blow off steam. Again, what examples can you come up with? And if you want to learn more about me, you can find me at Nil English, where I'm actually a teacher there, and I can help teach you one-on-one. Or also, you can check out my books, which are on Amazon and Audible: Destiny on Purpose, How to Get What You Truly Want Out of Life, and The Nerd Who Saved the Universe. I'm also an author, so I love teaching English, and I would love to help teach you. So again, please hit the notification button and subscribe to this channel so we could chit chat and do more of these as it goes. Thank you.